afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss about third chapter, theory base of accounting. What is theory base of accounting? It consists of principle, rules, regulation, convention, assumptions, and there are many kind of principles, etc. So, theory base of accounting consists of first is principle, the principle which is applicable all over the world. The accountants has to follow these principles and then prepare accounting information, because everyone needs about the accounting information, like the users uh, is for users it is necessary for accounting statement, for accounting information. Second one, concept, means there are certain assumptions which we have to follow while preparing an accounting. Conventions, rules, guidelines, and the process of accounting, how we can prepare the accounting, how which rules we have to follow, debit, credit as well. So on this basis, first, accounting principles. Accounting principles are generally accepted guidelines that has to be accepted by all over the world by the accountant. It is based on GAAP. GAAP means generally accepted accounting principles. Usually called GAAP, generally accepted accounting principle. Uh, this is developed over a period of time. Means during an accounting year, we have to follow these principles. General guidelines for preparing accounting statement. We have to prepare final account like trading, profit and loss, and balance sheet. Then we have to follow these principles accepted by accountant all over the world. So these are the general guidelines which we have to follow. Uh, Next, what are the features of accounting principle? First is uniform set of rules, because this is applicable to all over the world. So uniform rules and uniform rules have to be followed all over the while preparing accounting, and understanding should be there. Second one is man-made. The accounting principles are not laboratory tested. It is prepared by man on the basis of their experience, their practice, and the reasons why this principle has been made. Third is flexible. Accounting principles are not rigid. It can be flexible according to the changes in the environment. For example, government policy can be changed. Second, need of the user. So it is bound to change with the time. As the time occur, then it has to be changed. Fourth is generally accepted, because these are the basis and the guideline for preparing accounting. So these are the generally accepted principles. It depends on three importance. First is relevance, objectivity, and feasibility. Relevance is the accounting information should be relevant. It should be useful to the user. Second one is objectivity. Objectivity means the accounting information should be free from any bias. Means favorism would be avoided. And third is feasibility. We have to see the accounting information while preparing financial statements, that it should be compatible. It should not be involves too much cost. So these are the general accounting principles and the features, and why there is a need for accounting principles, because everyone needs about the accounting information. So next, kinds of accounting principle. There are two types of accounting principle. First is accounting concept, like assumption, and second one is accounting conventions that we have to follow while preparing an accounting. So this is the third chapter. So you have to prepare these notes and send it to me.